Ohayo gozaimasu! Whee! It is a very rainy day today. We have an umbrella and we are heading to the station because we're going somewhere. It's our date time. Even though it's raining, the rain can stop us, right?
Yep.
Nothing's gonna stop us.
Not even tsunami.
Wait, tsunami na here, yo.
Ario.
Doko.
Ano, forehead made.
If you're upside down.
Yeah.
Haha, that's crazy. Yeah, so we are going to Nagoya, and yeah, I think it's still fine because it's not a heavy rain. Yeah, it's just a little sprinkles, a little shower there, over there, and here. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. We need to catch the train. Bahoo. Wow, it's so rainy today. Look at the pedestrian lane. It's like crisscross, straight cross. You could cross on any side of the road. So we are already at Yabacho and we are looking for Apple Store. It's raining. We have our, you know, pretty umbrella dancing in the rain. Oh my god, there's not much people today because it's raining. Yeah, unlike the regular days when the weather is good, but now it's kind of rainy and cold, so there are only few people around. So yeah, we will just be trying to look for Apple Store to fix my damn phone, right? Wow, guapo!
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's warm today.
Yeah, it says that in the weather forecast that it's gonna be 19 degrees Celsius, but it's a little cooler than that. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. So we are already inside Apple Store and there are a lot of people already, and we are at the end of the line. So yeah, but I think their service is kind of fast. I don't know yet. So yeah, it's already 10:30 and I think they open
For 11.
10. So yeah, I think we'll just be waiting on our line to get our turn. So yeah, hopefully we will be over here fast. We're finally out of Apple Store and oh my gosh, they changed my phone into a brand new phone. That was ridiculous, guys. I thought I will be like waiting for them to fix my phone, like telling me, oh, you come back for another hour, because we waited for like an hour, more than an hour, and when they already served us, oh my god, I was surprised because they changed my phone into a new phone. That was so crazy. But my battery for my iPhone 5 wasn't changed because it's not legible anymore. So thank you so much, Apple, for changing my phone into a new phone. That was really, so yeah, I'll see you later, guys. So we are stopping by at Komeda's Coffee to have our lunch.
Yeah, lunch.
After the long wait at Apple Store, but the wait was really worth it because they've changed my phone into a new phone. Yeah, like I've told you a while ago. So we already took our order and we are just waiting for our food. So yeah, that's it. That's for an update, and I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that my microphone on the front camera of my phone is working right now. Because I was really bugged by what happened to the microphone, my front camera. I cannot vlog at all because the sound was really bad. I have to delete all my footage from last week because it's not really working. So now I'm just so happy. I'm happy to eat lunch. So we already got our sandwiches and it looks so delicious as usual. And he is having orange juice. Me, I have coffee shake. It's weird. Is there such thing as coffee shake? Yeah, this is coffee shake. But we are kind of weird because
It's white.
it's cold and we are having cold drinks.
Yeah, but it's coffee shake, but why it's white?
I think we need to shake inside. I don't know. Try to open it then. We open. What's inside?
Where's the coffee?
I don't know, but
Can I smell it?
you smell it.
Yeah, there's coffee.
It smells coffee. Okay. Confirm. It's coffee. So let's eat now. Look at that. Now let's try drinking our coffee. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Super good. From Komada's Coffee. We are now inside Matsu Sakaya. At the back of me is Marc Jacobs and we are trying to look for Dolce and Gabbana. Yeah, we don't know
All we
where.
have to do is go to...
It's where? Isn't it in the next building? I guess. That is Michael
right
Kors over there. Where? So I am inside Dolce & Gabbana right now. We are trying to buy Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men for him. And it really smells so good compared to Christian. We've smelled Christian Dior's Sauvage and we thought that was the best fragrance of all, but when we smelled Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men, oh my god, it's so freaking sexy. Oh my gosh, it makes you feel like so yummy. If you smell the scent of it, if you can smell the scent of it, it smells super yummy, guys. I totally recommend Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men, if you are trying to look for a perfume for men. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth the price because it really smells. So yeah, we are just hanging here for a while inside Dolce & Gabbana because we are waiting for our perfume to arrive. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Hi guys, so we already got our perfume, his perfume by the way, not mine. So look how fancy that is. This is the receipt. Oh my gosh, it's not like at the airport. It's so different. If you go to a store, it is so fancy, but at the airport it's not fancy like this. So yeah, we're heading out now. So where are we going?
Where do you want to go?
Go home.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go home. So we are going home now and I need to, yeah, see you later because it's raining. I cannot take my phone outside. Bye. There are a lot of breads here, but Danish. Yeah. But it's so pricey. Oh my god. This one looks, what's that? Wait, look at this. Oh, new arrival. What's that?
Fresh slice.
Smoked salmon to quinoa. What's that? I don't know what's that. And it looks so scary. And it's so like one slice 500 yen.
That's delicious.
Wow, that's muffin. One that 300 for the muffin.
You like?
But it's so pricey. I don't know if maybe it's too sweet or not. I don't know. Oh my god, those breads are so expensive. Oh gosh, I have a pimple. I'm in love.
With whom?
With you. Who else? Oh, we are inside this subway.
Subway. Turn left.
We're going to the subway now. We are out of Matsu Sakaya. Goodbye, Matsu Sakaya. Oh, the door is not automatic. You need to push it, man. Wow! There's an automatic door here. Why did we go to the... It's raining. It's kind of raining. So we are going to buy ticket now.
South.
5番線です。
It is still...
多治見から時終点中津川までは各駅に停車いたします。多治見を出ますと次は土岐市に停まります。
p.m., 2:30, 3. Let me check my watch. Yeah, it's already 3 in the afternoon and the rain still hasn't stopped. Still very rainy outside. But it's not raining too hard actually, but yeah, just a little sprinkled, but it was really very sprinkly the entire day. Yeah. Wow, what a good music yesterday. Can you hear it? As long as it's an English song, they will play it. As long as it's English, it doesn't matter if it's like, well, 200 years ago. Why she had to... Wow, the car is so... Ay, mienay. Mienay. Because it's so yellow. Wrong, not one love for us. What a nice song. I think that's very nice already. Oh my god, the rain is not stopping. It's gonna be rain next week too, right? Monday until Friday. The entire week it will be rainy. And if it's going to be rainy, it will be very, very cold after that. And I don't like that. Wow, look at the mountain. It's so pretty. It's turning red and a little yellow. Wow, it's so pretty there. Outside, but you cannot see because it's raining. So I'm gonna be doing this fried rice. Is this fried rice? But we're not going to fry it. We'll just heat it up on the microwave. So I'm just gonna put everything. I think hayran na. Hayru? I think I need a bigger bowl for it. Oh, we are home by the way, so I'm just heating up my what's that, fried rice in the microwave. Yeah, instant fried rice from Ajinomoto. It's very tasty. And yeah, and we bought a chicken at the store to go with it. So yeah, we'll just have dinner and I will see you later. So what do you think about your perfume? So what is your first impression? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it! Oh my god, I can smell you from here.
No?
Yeah.
Or bilhin lang.
Of course, because that one from yesterday
Yesterday,
I didn't smell. I need to really rub my nose against the skin in order to smell. But that one, no. It really has a very good projection. Yeah, you smell so fancy, man.
And you're gonna rate me.
Why you ano ha? Your TMI. Why you TMI? Don't tell everybody. Movie time. Yeah, it's movie time. We are watching movie after dinner. Man from Uncle. What's that?
Yeah.
Man from Uncle title.
The man from Uncle, yeah.
It's called The Man from Uncle. So I'll see you later. Hey guys, I just wanted to say good night now, and I hope you had a wonderful day as always. It was a very, very rainy day today. So yeah, I need to say good night because it's getting late already. And I hope you had a blessed day as always. And always remember, be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Peace.